I'm riding my bike down the hotel hallway. I don't know why my dad's running his bike. Oh, now I've got it down. Once I'm going fast, I'm good. I bet all the people sleeping really enjoy this. Both of our shirts are very vivid. We're officially in line for the fairgrounds for the first stop of PowerTour.
Surprisingly, we're following a Camaro.
Yeah. There are a lot of new Camaros and new Challengers. Not a lot of new Corvettes yet. I'm sure there will be.
Haven't seen a C8 yet, amazingly.
Yeah. So, pretty stoked. Should have done this a lot of years ago.
That's true.
I'd be riding a bicycle.
Yeah, we will be.
So I did the gold package or whatever, which gets you like reserved parking, and it's pretty sweet. It's like we're VIPs, which I'm used to, of course.
It's supposed to be back there. That's a good one now.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Down for me, but that's supposed to be.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What's the name of
We got an end cap, so it's kind of cool. It's like 9:30 in the morning. There's a ton of cars here already. It's pretty impressive, overwhelming, I would say.
No, that's how you're supposed to do it, right?
Hours a day. There's the new one. That's cool. It's still a 327 that made it to an SS.
Anytime I see a Nicky Camaro, I have to video it. Stefano, if you don't mention seeing this in this video, then I'm gonna know you don't watch these. If you were selling tie-downs, I feel like this is the way to do it.
Rock and roll here on Channel 25. I'm Alan Hunter. A couple of other channels that are so right for the summertime. Others maybe having other weeks.
All right, we made it through registration. Dad's got our junk. It's actually pretty cool. Go put our stickers on the car and then hopefully do some drag racing or something.
Yeah, so I got a picture of the 55.
100%. Yeah. I was complaining about the line when we first got in it, and when we started, we were just like a little bit further back, but
Well, that was my plan
the line is
last year,
quite a
to
bit
leave
longer
there and go
now.
to Chicago, but I did it after.
Straight enough?
Yep.
It's gonna have to be, I guess.
Oh, okay. It was covered up. I couldn't see
Yeah.
what it said. All right.
All right, we're official now.
Woohoo! Looks good.
All right, I've never driven a car on a real drag strip. This will be my first time. So here we go. All right, so my first run, not great, especially for this car. I did a 13.4, but my dad's in the car. It's full of stuff. I had it sitting in the lanes with the air on the whole time. I had all of the electronics still on, so, and I launched it really weak. Like my 60-foot 279, I've done 1.9 60-foots, so this car definitely can get faster. I'm gonna launch it better and hopefully break it to the 12s today. Seeing open the wastegate, so now it's just, we have no boost right now. This is going to be awful. Look at it, see my boost gauge or stuff. All right, so no improvement, almost the exact same. My 60 foot was a little bit slower at 2291, 13,522 at 107. So I lost 2 miles an hour. That launch felt a little better, but I just can't, maybe it's because it's a prepped surface or something. Like the car just will not launch. It either opens the wastegates if I go too much, or I don't know, whatever. I'm just making excuses. Bench racing, we're not here to race, we're here to have fun. So I'm gonna go look at some cars. Oh.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Nice. Matches yours perfect.
Yeah, it does.
I believe you've got to be present to win, but I'm not certain. I'll have to check with Joe and Brian and Ed and the fellows over there. But what's
The Vice Grip Garage Cadillac.
I think they're a year newer, maybe. Yeah.
I can tell, the easiest way to tell.
This is a wild looking, it's like they cleared over. It's kind of cool.
What's in?
Looks like it. My dad says that this is a Canadian Dodge that's super rare because of that window right there. If you haven't already realized, that's my dad, so he'll be in a lot of these video shots. Look at this. Fits in just right. Ah, my shadow. We've only been walking around for about 10 minutes and I've already determined that any car you would ever want to see an LS motor in is here, 100%. There's so many LS swapped cars, it's pretty neat.
This chop spring stuff in it.
we could have brought our Honda and not been the only Honda here. Although our Honda has no air conditioning and pretty much doesn't have anything.
Doesn't have air conditioning or a headliner or doors, door panels
Carpet.
or carpet.
I do have carpet for it.
Radio.
Oh, it definitely doesn't have a radio. It doesn't have wipers. It doesn't have anything.
But other than that, it has everything.
Yeah.
It runs, sort of.
We used to have two N600s and we sold them like idiot. I'm trying to buy one back. This is a Z600. Unrestored Survivor. My dad has said 1,000 times if he could find one of these, he would buy it on the spot. And I've never seen it in person. So this is the Hornet, just like we have, but it has the factory camper top. So if you bought an AMC Hornet, you could go to the dealer and buy this camper setup. How great would this be to have for our Hornet?
And it's a V8.
I've never seen one in real life.
It's got a wider
We have to find it. I mean,
Can you imagine Robin Cape with that?
he's in heaven with this. Take a lot of photos, we could get one made. If you've never met my dad, for him to say he's never seen something is a pretty strong statement because he's kind of a pretty big car guy, but wow. Proving my point that every car you can imagine with an LS is here. I don't really have anything against Hellcats. I don't really have anything for them. Like, I don't know, they're just cars. But did you see the meme with the kid on Woodward counting the front bumper protectors? I'll put the meme here. It's hilarious. Air grabber.
Yeah, that's a 4-speed.
I hate Krager's and I hate white letter tires like that, but this car is super cool. Factory sunroof, cool.
Is it?
Four doors are really growing on me.
Up in the back?
Yeah, and drive around with strippers. Look at how nice this trunk is.
Yeah.
Blue one. Oh yeah. The tire threw me. Yes.
Not yet. And then the next place that comes out, the next day, whenever I got my like comes out of the country fried, I'm like, mother.
Good. Oh, triple wagons. 4 wagons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another LS swapped RX-8. And again, another example. LS swapped the world. Yeah, the old pizza's wheels. I really like GLHs. I've had a few of them and parted out a few of them too. I was expecting it to be an LS motor, but it's not. I like it. This is the car that was next to us on the drag strip. Love that interior color. Back up. Newer Civic, not newer, obviously like a 78 or something.
On the radio, she's like, yeah, it's like one person. It's like, it's all that. She's trying to get me all kinds of stuff. I know. I don't think all kinds of stuff. It's okay. I don't know why, yeah.
So our first day of PowerTour is coming to an end. No driving today. So the way it works is today's the first day. We were at the track all day. Like we got there at like 8:30 or 9. Yeah, we're gonna go get some tattoos. And then tomorrow we're gonna leave the hotel around 7:30. We meet back at the track and then it's like 150 miles or something. 150 miles to Dayton, Ohio or something. So yeah, there should be a lot of driving in tomorrow's video, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Yeah.